Hey everyone, here we are demonstrating Enterprise Edge AI with connectivity. This is on Dell XR8000 platform. This is a modular, scalable platform where you can increase the compute and communication needs as needed. You can add more and more compute. So here what we are showing is you can have communication, maybe connectivity from a private 5G and compute applications all in a box. So it's connectivity and compute in a single box. And here we have partnered with several ISV partners, and we have brought their Edge AI applications. And these Edge AI applications run natively on CPU, as a result of which, in the edge market where it's very price sensitive, it really brings down the total cost of operation, because all these applications run natively on CPU. You don't need an accelerator, which means it lowers the cost of hardware, software, and services, and also less heating and cooling requirements. One of our ISV partners is Ecrio, with whom we have a mission-critical vision-based AI for smart manufacturing. So it looks at the factory floor and sees if the factory workers are in compliance with personal protective equipments like safety vest and hard hat. And if they are not, it sends a notification to the factory floor manager, and then they can look and see who is in compliance or not and take the necessary actions. Here what we are showing is two versions of the application running, one on Xeon 5 and one is Xeon 6. And you can see that in the Xeon 6, it's taking advantage of more instruction set in the CPU, like AMX and AVX, and you can get much better throughput in terms of frames per second processing. So this gives more advantage to pack more and more AI onto the CPU. So, and all those AI models for vision detection, they're all running natively on CPU.
For the second use case, we're illustrating Nybsys, Sentra specifically. So what we're going to do is a Gen AI prompt. How many colors are available? And what this is doing is it's running 5 AI models. And what we're doing is we call this a RAG race. It's generative AI.
So here in this retail case, an employee in the retail store or even a customer can talk to a virtual agent and find out what items are available, what's in stock and what is not. And again, all of that is running on the edge, providing very good user experience in terms of latency and low cost option to the customer.
For a third application, we have an AI OS, and this is from our third ISV. This is Aotu. And what's unique about this application is it's the first AI OS. And what we're showing here is live inference on the CPU. And what we're doing is we're doing people, object detection, and object counting. We're getting about 2x frames per second on the new Xeon 6 SoC.
So by working with our ISV ecosystems and bringing them to these edge devices, what we are showing is we can bring these applications at a really low cost, run them natively on the CPU, and really bring value to the end customers by lowering the total cost of the solutions.